Hey, what's going on YouTube? I'm going to be doing a unboxing video of the Power Acoustik PWM-16 Equalizer. What made me actually get this is because I actually heard vehicle. I believe I was at the gas station, and it's mids and highs. I mean, everything sounded like real clear. He had I believe 4 speakers in the front door. In the back door, he had 4 speakers as well. 4 speakers in the front door, 4 speakers in the back door, and 4 across the rear deck. I forgot what year it is. I think it was a Chevy Caprice or something like that. I'm not sure. But it sounded real clear. And I was just checking the system out. I was talking to him about it, and I noticed that he had this EQ up in there, and I asked him what kind it was. He told me. And I couldn't believe that Power Acoustik made an equalizer that sound as good. Actually sound real good. Because I did a lot of old school equalizers like the Pioneer and the Alpine, and those things sound real good. A lot better than the new equalizers they got now. But I was kind of shocked, so I had to try it for myself. Currently I got a Clarion EQ in my vehicle right now, but I'm gonna take that out just to try this. I mean, it sounds good, but man, I was shocked to hear this. That that was one of those things where, man, I got to try it, and for that price point, I mean, 30 something bucks, 35 bucks, you can't beat it. I mean, it's worth the try. So, unboxing it. Take this thing. And with equalizers like this, I mean, not to be down on them, but as far as the longevity, I would definitely keep up with the your receipt and the warranty papers and everything. I mean, because it's not like that Pioneer equalizer. I believe it's the 6500. Them things last forever. I had them things for years and years and years and switched it from vehicle to vehicle, and that thing never got. I actually still got the equalizer too. And I was kind of saving it for a project or something, but those one of those equalizers that last forever. No, I doubt if any of these new equalizers last that long. I mean, not just them top brands, other brands too, like Clarion and all. I mean, them nice EQs, but they just don't make them like they used to no more. So I will keep all this stuff. Let's see. Yeah, some adjustments, but the adjustments on here pretty simple though. It's not like the 7-band EQ where you got to adjust all the settings. Put this down here. I need to cut this so I should be able to slide this right out. Oh, they got it wrapped up pretty good. Look. Hold on, let me put this down for a second so I can take this out. Okay, got it all out the package. Now, like I said, if you look at it, got the volume, the fader. We got the CD auxiliary, got the MP3 in the front, the input in the front, and then you got your sub volume, sub frequency, got the sub, the low, mids, and highs. And actually, one of these equalizers is great for somebody that not used to having equalizers, or those 7-band equalizers could be difficult to adjust. So I would just suggest something like this if you're not familiar with adjusting your sounds or stuff like that. I mean, once you get them 7 bands adjusted, those things sound great. But that's for if you're running like a bass amp and then a high amp, I would suggest something like this. But if you're running 2, 3, 4 amps, you got to separate an amp on the tweeters, amp on your door speakers, amp on your rear, and all that. Then I maybe suggest a 7-band. Personally, I think that this would do it. That guy had all those speakers, and I promise you, it sounded real good. And what was my main concern is with these cheaper equalizers, even cheaper amps and radios in general, is the engine noise. Like some of these, you can have like a nice EQ in there, and you don't get no engine noise. Then you swap it out for a cheap one, then you get all that, because the noise filters ain't that good in it. So, but they didn't have no engine noise, and my sound's done the same way. Everything done neat, ran correctly. Power wire, everything ran on separate side. Everything's covered. Ran nice and good. So I'm not worried about no engine noise. So I really want to try this. Nice looking EQ too. I mean, the things light up blue on it. It's basic, basic equalizer. Get your auxiliary, CD, sub out, front and rear. And for you guys that are don't really know how to hook it up, I will be doing a video of that too when I get a chance on install like how to put the RCAs and power, ground, remote, and what's input, output. Give you the rundown on that too. So yeah, don't want to make this video too long, but yeah, that's basically it. EQ, the Power Acoustik PWM-16. Yeah, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button, and if you have any questions, please comment below, and I'll be glad to answer them. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Got a lot of more videos coming, so yeah, subscribe and take care. Later.